Everyone says competition is good. So here is my question. If someone has enough money, why can't they simply build another stock exchange and compete with NSE? After all, it is just a software, right? Is it because of regulations, technology, or is there a much bigger reason? At first, I thought building a stock exchange was mostly a technology problem. After reading the DRHP, I realized technology isn't the hardest part. Not even close. Let's imagine you launch a brand new messaging app tomorrow. Beautiful design, amazing features, better than WhatsApp. Will people switch? Probably not. Why? Because everyone they know is already on WhatsApp. That is called a network effect. Now, imagine that effect with trillions of rupees. This is where stock exchange become fascinating because the network effect is even stronger. A trader wants buyers, buyers want sellers, institutions want liquidity, brokers want their clients already trade, market makers want volume. Everyone chooses the exchange because everyone else already chose it. That is why liquidity becomes the mode. Not technology. Technology can be copied. Liquidity can't. But here is where it gets even more interesting. Even if someone somehow builds a great exchange, they still aren't finished. Now they need trust, clearing, risk management, surveillance, cybersecurity, broker relationships, institutional participation, regulatory approval, market data, years of reliability. You are not building an app, you are building the financial infrastructure. That is why these businesses are so rare. This is also why investors don't value NSE like a normal company. They value it like the infrastructure. So once the ecosystem is built, every new participant just makes it stronger, not weaker. Could another exchange grow? Absolutely. We have already seen BSE improve significantly in certain segments. Competition exists. But replacing the dominant liquidity pool, that is now an entirely different game. So, whenever you analyze a business, don't ask, is the product good? Ask, can someone realistically replace it? That is where you'll find the real mode. If you enjoy understanding business beyond the headline, subscribe to our channel. Every week, we will break down the world's best business and the biggest financial stories the simplest way possible.